Hey folks, and welcome to my video on how we're going to be doing reflections using the Ghost blogging platform. I really like the idea of being able to think about our reflections as a much more fluid or a much more kind of authentic opportunity to think about the experiences that we've had and to be able to put them in a place where you can kind of share out to um, folks that you'd like to about some of the really wonderful things that you've done in this program. I think it's a little bit more authentic. And so I want to talk a little bit about how we can go about starting off and using the platform. So first and foremost, no matter what class you're in, the path for the websites are going to be pretty much the same. The only thing is going to be the prefix. So if you're in an STME course with me, you're going to start with STME. If you're in an MTED course, you'll start off with MTED. And if you're at the internship, you'll start off with a different prefix. So I'm going to start off by using the prefix for the STME courses. So the first thing comes the prefix. So STME dot, and then the rest is going to be cu.studio. And if you go there, it's going to pull up whatever website is that we're going to be using throughout the semester. And you'll see that there are a bunch of students have created some really wonderful blogs in the past, and you're going to be the next ones to do so. So the first thing to think about is that in order to be able to get to an area where you could do the blogging, you have to take the exact same website, so whatever it is that you have, and you're going to put a / and then spell out Ghost, which is the name of the blogging platform. And as soon as you do that, you'll see kind of the developers window or what this looks like, and allows you the opportunity to be able to see the posts that you've made so far. And so let's say that you would like to be able to create a post. If you click on the posts area, one of the things that you can do to start a post is you see this little click arrow here, click on the plus sign, and we get to this particular screen. And from here, it's really easy. Where it says post title, you can kind of go and say my first post, and it'll give you kind of a bolded title up there in the beginning. And where it says begin writing your post down here, this is where you can start writing. So if you see this little plus here on the side, that means that you can begin, you can use that to be able to just start writing. So for example, in my first reflection, and you can just start typing. The other thing that you can do with this plus symbol, if you click on it, is to be able to add some different things. So if you want to be able to add a picture, there's this image section. And if you click on the image section, it'll allow you to go through and either look through your videos, or look through your pictures, and then select one there, or you can even just, where it says here, drag and drop the image that you'd like to use into there. So let's go through and actually, I'm just going to type in pie. Download the image. Go to my desktop to find the image. And as it says, drop it like it's hot. And so now we have a little bit of a text. We have a picture that could connect to whatever the reflection would be, which kind of helps, the reader look at and understand what's happening with your blog. If you're interested, if you know anything about HTML, you can actually dive into the code of the website and be able to change things. If you've studied any sort of markdown programming, you can use that. You can create image galleries, put dividing lines in parts of websites, add bookmarks, an email. And one of the things that I think is really interesting is being able to embed some video that you've done, or a video that you think would be really interesting. So if you have some YouTube videos that you'd like to add, either to add some music, or if you want to add like a video that you've done and created, you can add that using YouTube. You can add tweets to your website. A great place that allows you to look for different types of photos and really wonderful photos is the Unsplash option. And so if you go through here, we can find and we can add kind of a cool video or a cool picture into our website like that. So that's the basics of being able to create a post. Now, the other features that you want to be able to think about are in the settings. So if you go up here to where this little gear is, if you click on that, this allows you to add a post image that goes at the very top as a banner. So if you go to upload post image, that allows you to do that. If you want to change what your URL, the end of your URL is for your website, you can change that here. The tags is a really important line because often I will say, when you create your post, please tag this thing. And so you'll see I'll add a bunch of tags in. So say if I ask you to do a post in module 1 about identity, you can click on that and it will add the tag. So everyone in the class will have that exact same tag and they will show up together. And those are kind of the main items here in your post settings that you want to be able to change. The last thing that I want to mention in this video is the publishing feature. And in order for me and everyone else to be able to see your post, you have to click on the Set It Live option here, and then you have to click Publish. And when you had a chance to do that, then people will be able to see the post that you've created. So that's the beginning of how you can go through and start to begin doing videos, your blogging posts in Ghost. As always, please get in touch with me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing what you all come up with. Thank you so much.